Hello everybody, welcome to Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason. Today we are going to draw a superhero. About a month ago we drew Wonder Woman. I think we timed that for the release of the movie. And today we're going to draw one of her friends. We are going to draw Batman. What you're going to need for your drawing is a pencil, an eraser, a piece of paper. We're going to be drawing portrait today, so it's taller than it is wide. Put these away because I'm going to use the Sharpie so it's easier to see. And we're going to go ahead and get started. The first shape we're going to use when we're drawing our Batman is in the middle of the paper, maybe up just a little bit. And it's going to be the bottom part of his head, and it's going to look like a U. At the very bottom, though, it's going to be a little bit pointy, so you'll see what I mean. See how it looks like a U, but there's just a little bit of a point there. And then going to the top of these two lines, we're going to curve it in just a little bit and then come down in a diagonal. Just a little bit. Those are for the points of his mask. Connect across with a slightly curved line. Not too much. Then we're going to come down to about the middle and draw two shapes, sort of like a football or a lemon. One on this side for an eye, and one on that side for the other eye. Between the two eyes I like to make a dot. And from this dot we're going to go diagonal towards the side of the face over there, and same thing on the other side. Once you have that, we're just going to come down in a slightly curved line on both sides. We're going to draw a straight line for his mouth, but on one end, curve it up just a little bit. Even the Batman can crack a smile. A little straight line on the end so that there's a little bit of a crease. And underneath his mouth, we're going to use a straight line to show that the lip has some shadow. Now underneath his head, we're going to do two diagonal lines. One coming down this way, and one coming down this way. Then what we're going to do is do another diagonal line, and then a wavy line. And those should touch. I'm going to come across on the other side, same thing. Diagonal line, wavy line, and those should connect. I'm going to add a couple of lines just to make it look like his cape has some folds in it. And on this side, we're going to come straight down, just about an inch or two, and a curved line. We're going to come down, draw a line coming out for his thumb, go down again, and then what we're going to do is draw a wavy line. So it came down, drew the thumb, came down, and a slightly wavy line, and we're going to come back up and connect it to the glove. 3 triangles for Batman's glove. On this side, we're going to do similar. Come down, draw a curved line, come down, draw a line out for the thumb, come down with a slightly diagonal line, and a wavy line. And go back up to the glove with 3 triangles. So this point right here where the thumb meets the glove, we're going to draw a line in and back. Line in and back. And where those wavy lines are, just draw 2 lines. And then line across, line across. That just gives the glove some definition and some creases. We're going to come straight back towards his body on both sides, 2 diagonal lines. And we're going to stop. And then brand new line, curve line, down. Curve line, down. We're going to draw 4 round squares. What I mean by a round squares is a square shape with rounded corners. We're going to start with one here. Square, round corner, square, round corner, round corner, round corner. Another one right here. Basically a square with slightly rounded corners. And then on the side. This is his utility belt where he gets all his fabulous toys. In between these 2 in the middle, draw a circle. And a little line connecting across the top. And a little line connecting on the bottom. When you draw this line, try not to draw through those shapes that we drew, but behind them. We're going to draw a slightly diagonal line for his shorts on this side and on this side. Diagonal line down towards the middle. Diagonal line back up to the other side. We're going to draw this leg. Diagonal line. Diagonal line. And then connect it with a point. And then 2 diagonal lines to make that boot. And a curved line to show his foot. Over here, we're going to draw a straight line down. Curved line for that foot. Diagonal line back. And connect up to that point. We're going to draw a diagonal line. Diagonal line. Curved line for that boot. Connect that. On his chest, we're going to draw 2 lines. Then 2 diagonal lines and connect them. Curved line up. Curved line up. Curved line down. Curved line down. Wavy line, wavy line, wavy line, wavy line. Now over here, we're going to imagine that this corner here, imagine it comes down. We're going to draw a line that goes from the thumb to his boot. But on this other side, where we imagine where it would come out, we're going to do wavy lines. Then imagine where they'll go, and then keep going. Then we're going to connect this line to this point. Oh, I went too far, so we'll just add another wavy line. We're going to come back up to these shapes on his belt. We're going to add curved lines on each of those pockets and a dot. And that's Batman's utility belt. We're going to add a few lines on the cape just to show that it's flowing. We need to put Batman in a scene. in Gotham City. So the way we do that is behind him we're going to draw the cityscape. And these are just going to be straight geometric lines. So we come across with a horizontal line and come down with a vertical line which goes up and down. And a little horizontal line, then the next building will come up and then have a little horizontal line. Maybe this building has a pointy top, so we'll do diagonal. Come down diagonal. Finish this building and come down. Do another diagonal. Another vertical. Horizontal. And then come down into his back. On the other side, we'll pick it up with a vertical, side by side, come down. We just keep doing this till we get all the way to the other side. Yours do not have to look just like mine. On top of this building, we're going to draw a circle, and then up here in the sky a bigger circle, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line from this circle to that, and from this circle to that, and in this circle we're going to draw something similar to that, bat, two straight lines, two diagonal lines, connect them. Curve line, curve line, curve line, curve line, wavy line, wavy line, wavy line, wavy line. And that can be the bat signal. In our buildings, you can add random squares for windows that might be lit at night. Again, yours don't have to look just like mine. Just quickly draw some squares in the buildings. A line shows Batman is standing on a building. And that is our drawing of Batman. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next Friday for another drawing lesson. Real quick. You can always add more bats if you want in the sky. But these are optional. Okay. Happy drawing, and see you soon.